Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. Oh yeah, I'm starting to hit. When I looked at part 1, oh my god. When I looked at part 1 of like when I was reacting to it, basically like to edit it and that, I was like, so when I was watching roasting, I think it was a bit too dramatic. But anyway, it's posted. This is the one we're going to be using today. Has got a little dirt in it. My nan is getting a new, well, my granddad is getting a new Hoover soon, so I'll do an unboxing video. But for now, let's get on with oh heck, what's happened here? Oh heck. Oh the heck with this. Here we go. There we go, that's better. Right. Let's get into the other bit. Hello. I just moved the cleaner onto my bed and I'm going to clean my window ledge. So let's start by taking my dispenser, remote, my phone. There you go. Thingy on. Got YouTube thing, keep showing. Just got a YouTube thing. Like about someone who went live on a YouTube video or something. I think it's about I posted a new video. And I got somebody also posted a new video on TikTok because I have TikTok. Just gonna make sure my blind actually does stay and it does lock properly. Right. You can need the vacuum here. I don't have a tool. Hang on, I'm just gonna see if. Oh damn it! Hang on. I was trying to get my Vax tool, and my Vax tool actually fell down. I hope my Vax tool fits. Hopefully it does. Nope, it doesn't. Hang on. I'm just going to have a quick look through my drawer and see if I have not this one. Okay, found one. Hopefully this fits. No, it doesn't. Actually, I can go for this one then. I hate this nozzle. It is extremely loud. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. You know what, hang on. I actually found out a shark tooth fits it. I'm gonna go hunting for that shark tooth. Hang on. I don't know where it's gone. Because my mum was like the last one with the tool, so I don't know where the tool is. So I've just found this shark one. The brush oilers need a little clean. I'll just rip off the dirt now if I can. I don't know where that tool's gone. Just went searching for it. I went to the utility room where it would be. So I don't know. It's usually in the shark thing. So I'm gonna hope that this will have to work. If not, then I'm just gonna try and look in all the cupboards. Because it could be in the utility room cupboard, I don't know. So, it's still really bad, but yeah, it doesn't come off. Hopefully there's nothing stuck behind there. And let's put it on this. So that 2 bits bit here. And just put it on, hold it on, and use it. Oh, phew. I thought that wasn't going then. Well, it does work, but I might have to use this. I cannot use it. Definitely not, guys. Okay. That's enough proving my Wonder Ledge for today. Then let's just say it turned out into a nightmare. That was a nightmare. So I'm gonna have to go hunting for that tool. I'm gonna get my Knoll cubes on, and it spells Knoll. I don't know if you can see that. So now I'm just gonna put on my little snow globes. This is one of them that I just put there. So, and now let's leave hoovering the actual blinds. I think I'm gonna have to use a Dyson, but the Dyson's downstairs and I think it's out of battery. So let's put this tool back and this one, and let's go put this one in the cupboard. And now let's move back onto the onto the floor. So this is like basically all I can show you. This vacuum, so let me just go unplug it. And line all the cords back in. There's the labels and the stickers, but yeah. Sometimes needs a bit of help. Let me just redo that. I don't get it, guys. But I'm actually going to stop the cable from scraping, but you can hold down the bottom, pull it, let it go. Oh, that's much better. That's more smooth. And now, gotta be careful. There we go. And now, park this on the back. And since this hose is so long, and I mentioned this is compact, I'll show you now. Look how compact this is. Oh. Now, let's just turn the hose for me or something like this. Let's put it in like this. And look how much the hose has. So, the way I do it is kind of like this. Hey, so basically you just have a load of hose, or then just hold it, turn it, and you're done, like that. So now, I'm just going to go put this back, and I'm actually going to tidy my wardrobe, and I'm going to try and get this to go in my wardrobe so I have more space in my room, and I might move some of my room around. So that'll be fun. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.